This is the swamp across the, matter of fact, right beside my house. It's supposed to be a beaver dam right there. Alright, we're gonna cross the road now and look at the lake. Well, right now, I mean, not like, it's supposed to be a pond, but there's the water. Oh, damn, I about fell. Oh, they're dangerous, man. I'm gonna walk over there. I'll be back. There's the club. Look at that. Way over the banks. That pier don't supposed to be that close to that water. It was a good, right there at the end, it was a good 6 feet above the water, 6 or 8 feet above the water. I used to fish on that pier till they tore it down. Look here. This is the music stage. It was 10, 12, 14 foot from the water. I mean, why would they want to build it? I mean, it was seriously about 12 feet from the water. I'm not kidding. It's about that far. And look how close that water is. I can't get too close to it because I'll fall in this mud hole over here. What I want to see, and that bank, the bank I'm about to go get on, it used to be about 5 foot above the water as well. There used to be enough room. I know for a fact, 4 4-wheelers could fit between that stage and the water. But me and my brothers did it before. That little dance floor, that's the stage, as you see. I done said stage about, I don't know, 10, 12 times. Oh well, who cares? I got an umbrella. Drizzly rain. I ain't worried about a little bit of umbrella. There used to be a drain somewhere, matter of fact, right there with all that logs and stuff is. And it's supposed to be coming out right there. That's one of them. There should be another one right over here, right there, and a little overflow thing. Look at here. That's supposed to be a little, just a small baby stream. It don't supposed to be nothing like this. Wait a minute, that might be the only drain. Yeah, it is, because they stopped the other one up. They tore it down, I forgot. Supposed to be 3 drains in. My feet getting wet. Oh, I was, see, okay, so they did tear it down. I thought they did. There's one. You can cross this with a 4-wheeler. Matter of fact, you can cross it with your feet without getting wet. I wouldn't try it now. My fat ass will start floating. But listen, that's it. I got to get back home and get out of this rain. I might put this on YouTube. It's a sight. And good God Almighty, what is that? That's that little creek. Yeah, you can't see it, but it's right there in the woods. Right there. All that is water. Dang. I'm trying to make it down to that creek just for y'all. Hold on. I can't make it down Ballin' that hill. It's too slick. But there's the creek. Right there. There's another one out there, but my phone won't focus in. There it is, guys. I gotta go. Talk to you later. Bye.